Hi everyone, I'm Hai Nguyen, a digital marketing expert with over 10 years of experience building and optimizing automated systems for social media. And in today's video, I'll introduce you to a powerful platform in the MKT ecosystem called MKT TikPro, a comprehensive solution to automatically manage and grow thousands of TikTok accounts. This software is a game changer for anyone working in TikTok, affiliate marketing, MMO, dropshipping, video seeding, or large-scale account management. With TikTok becoming the leading platform for short-form video content, managing and growing multiple accounts gives you a serious advantage in brand building, monetization, and viral content distribution. With MKT TikPro, you can easily manage hundreds or thousands of TikTok accounts from a single dashboard. Accounts can be grouped, tagged, scheduled, and run in parallel using a built-in automation system. One of the standout features is the ability to auto-farm TikTok accounts. The software simulates human behavior by auto-scrolling, liking, commenting, following, sharing videos, all of which help accounts gain trust and reduce the risk of being flagged. You can also auto-schedule content across all your TikTok accounts. Just upload your videos, add captions, hashtags, and schedule the exact time to post. This saves you hundreds of hours if you're managing multiple brands or niches. Another key feature is video seeding automation. You choose which accounts will like, comment on, or share specific videos, creating a snowball effect that boosts your reach and improves your chances of hitting TikTok's algorithm for maximum exposure. For TikTok affiliate marketers, this is a dream tool. MKT TikPro lets you manage bio links, rotate offers, manage content libraries, and funnel traffic straight to landing pages or product links at scale. What makes it even better is the advanced anti-checkpoint system, allowing every TikTok account to operate in its own browser profile and IP environment. Pro is one of the few tools that truly supports bulk account management, behavior simulation, automation safety, and monetization goals for the TikTok platform. If you need help setting up your TikTok automation system, building an affiliate funnel, or scaling your account network for traffic and income, feel free to contact me directly. WhatsApp, +84 96 168 9768. Telegram, @Hai Nguyen MKT 86. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/haimk.86.